now that we're down to 2 members who are receiving a health care benefit that costs more than $30,000 a year, for which they are paying under $900. It is an unconscionable misuse of taxpayer resources. Every single thing in this budget is a higher priority.
See Councilman Sohn give up his $7,000 stipend. He hasn't said he'll give up his stipend. He talks about health insurance. You know, is he waiting for me to lead by giving up $7,000? How many potholes can we fill with that $7,000 stipend? Will you give it up tonight? Yes or no? Not, I'm waiting for Councilman Katz to make a decision. I'm not running for anything. You want to help the residents. $7,000. Will you give it up tonight? You can give it on an individual basis. I spoke to the attorney. No, the council members don't have to accept it. Will you give up the stipend? Mr. Gruber's running. Will you not accept the stipend? Excuse me. I have the right to speak just like I gave you the same respect when you spoke.
Can I have order for 1 second?
So now, I want to know from Councilman Sohn, and he doesn't have to answer now because I understand, when will he give up the $7,000 because we've got a bunch of potholes to fill? That's what I want to know. That's the question I'm going to ask at every meeting. Okay, you asked me about my waiver. I don't get a waiver. You asked me about the health insurance. I'm not giving up my health insurance. It's going to be phased out when I step down from this council. And the attorney already gave you an opinion about the health insurance. Thank you.
I just want to make one comment. It's easy for people to throw out dirt, but when people throw it back, there seems to be some grumblings in the audience, and it's not right. I'm going to close this out by saying first, number one, so thank you guys for coming in this evening. I'm closing out good and welfare. I am closing out good and welfare, and we're going to move on to the budget. Yes, I can. I'm turning the meeting over to the manager.
Mayor. You know, I've watched some of the debates, and again, when a candidate is attacked, and certainly attacked by name, the opportunity is given to respond. I just want to shut up Mr. Katz once and for all.
You're not a candidate. Neither one of you are candidates.
Watch some of the debates. Mr. Katz, I just want to end this once and for all. I earn my $7,000. I hope that you earn your $7,000. You have not earned a $30,000 a year benefit, nor has Mr. Hamaduddin. Okay? If it takes that, I sincerely hope, and I will give you this opportunity, give it up now. Give up that benefit now. If it takes me and every single council member giving up that $7,000 benefit for you to give up something that you have not earned, that costs every taxpayer, I have already volunteered to do that, and I will do that today. Sign the note that you are giving up your health care, Mr. Hamaduddin do the same, and I will give up my $7,000 stipend immediately.
In the interest of being attacked and responding, who said you've earned your $7,000? Wait,
you paid $7,000 for 18 years. If I haven't earned it, you haven't earned it.
Who said?
Ellie, please. Stop.
Who said?
Give it up. You've already lost. Give it up.
You've spoken about being a martyr.
Can we have order, please?
Be a leader. Don't be a follower. Don't wait for someone else to do it. Be a leader. Be a leader.
Can we have order, please?
Who said you've earned
Ellie, please.